Alright guys, today we're going to talk about lights. What kind of lights do you need in your shop? So when I got ready to get lights for my shop, that was kind of a struggle because I don't know how much, what I need, how much wattage I need, how many I need in the shop. And so I did a lot of research and just kind of flipped a coin and said, all right, this is the type of lights I'm going to get. But the ones I got and the ones I just showed you seemed to be bright enough for me. When I first looked at them, I thought they were too bright. So now that I've gotten used to them, they're not too bright. But so you want to be sure that your shop is well lit. And of course, my shop's kind of a mess right now, but you want to make sure it's well lit where you can see everything. And you know, I don't want to be blinded when I look at them, but I think you get used to that part. But as long as your shop is well lit, then that's the goal, right? I mean, you want to be where you can see what you're doing. Now you can use some, you know, these bay lights and all these, but what I've gotten is an LED light, and they're supposed to last a lot longer. Now I don't know if they will, but that's what they say. So we're going to open this up, and we'll have the link to the side. So we'll open this box, and I'll show you what's in this, in these lights. Looks like it's packaged pretty good and to keep it from breaking, but you can see the light, how big it is. I looked for my tape measure, couldn't find it, so we'll measure with this. So we're looking at 11 inches in diameter, so that tells you about how big the size is. This bulb is 150 watts. It has a plug, which I like because if something happens and the light goes out, all you gotta do is plug it in. You don't have to rewire it every time. So it comes with these hooks where you can screw it in and hang it, which is pretty good if you wanted to hang it. But you know, the way I do it, which either way is fine, but the way I do it is, and this box comes with two, so it's two in here. The way I do it is I put these brackets on, and I'll show you how I've hung them in a minute, and they go on pretty easily. Comes with all these screws. I'm not sure what this is. This may be where you hang it, but I don't ever use those. So it has all these screws. Like I said, I don't know what, maybe some of you can tell me what that is for. I don't use those, but I use these. It's got a lock washer and a washer. So it just screws in here. And they give you this tool with it, which I'm sure everyone has an Allen wrench, but in case you don't, they give you the size and give you the right one. So this is how we do it here. It's flexible where I can shoot a screw in there and it just hangs. And I'll show you. We'll climb up on the ladder and I'll show you how we got it hooked up. We can actually go up these stairs and I'll show you. It's not too bright. So you can see on this one, I've screwed it in here. I screwed it in on this bracket. And then we got a plug up here that we wired. We'll never have to wire again if we get lights with plugs in them. And so This hook is a safety feature, which obviously we're not using. Probably should use. But that's it. So, click on the link below, and I'll have the right light there. This is a 150 watt. I'm not sure if I said that, 150 watt. It puts out a lot of light. But you could get 200 if you want more light. And that might be better for you, but you can see down there that there's plenty of light and that I need to clean up. But so if you're looking for the right shop light, these guys, that's it. Like I said, the LED works good, puts out plenty of light. You may want to go a little higher, but pretty cost efficient as well. So go over there, click on it, get you a few of them.